morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. So this week 3 of me on vacation, opening or whatever, part 3 of this video. So you always seen the last 2 videos plus the stream haul. Did the third might be final video. We don't know what we will see, but currently in Orlando. And so at this hotel, you see it in the last video and go watch that before you watch this. But I'm gonna head up to Wendy's to get some food or so, but this the fit right here. So this one I'm wearing my favorite 2-piece outfit, my ride or die outfit. I love 2-piece sets, and then like a 2-piece sets, I love them because they quick and go get in and out the house. Wait, but I think we'll do the intro and say good morning to a brand new vlog, weekly vlog. And yeah, now I see you later on today. I don't know what today brings, so you know. If you're familiar with the weekly vlogs late, you know, I go with the flow, record while I record, you know, so, yeah. Whatever it is, I'm going to Wendy's to get some food. We had a hotel, we didn't have no breakfast for me to eat, because, you know, being vegan, you can't really eat too much, so I'm going to go to Wendy's and get something, but I want to check in with you guys, side the block, and I'll see you later. I need a shower. I need that. Oh, yeah. I need this.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just minutes, me with the drama. Unless you come in with that karamas. Or DJ telling the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, sweating on my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face can't make them feel weaker. Make them know that my body is a healer. Ooh, I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it jump, 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 jump. Oh, you know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up, up. You know I love to make it.
Only got a nigga calling on me. Don't know what no nigga vibe, oh yeah. Listen to me, I put some carrots in your ear. Make this stitch up, I wanna put it in the room. Wanna get a deep, I serve it like a dealer.
Hey guys, so I'm back. I went to the largest McDonald's in the world, as you can see. I got me an octopus. I finally got one, the famous TikTok octopus. I don't like that pink. They do got blue, but the blue man. And blue my favorite color. So, but I got me an octopus, so I'm happy. Though that matter, I got one. But yeah, I've been at the largest McDonald's order. That place is so expensive and stuff, but it really big. Definitely really big. Had a lot of games and stuff in there and whatnot, but they know what I did all that. So, got me an octopus. Highlight my day, I got an octopus. Put them up, but took me like 4 tries to get it at the, you know, because we're in like one of those claw machines. It took me like 4 tries to get it, but it was worth the 4 tries to get this. So I finally got something that I can actually use. So if people want to know my emotions and I don't feel like talking because I have days when I don't want to talk, there we go. I didn't need to be perfect for college or anything, not for like, you know, tell you like your significant other or anything, but you just have it for people in general. I think I know you for people in general, so. But anyway, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm back at the hotel right now, so I'm just relaxing, chilling, playing my game and stuff. My knee hurts. And stuff, so I'm done relax and chill for the rest of the night. So if I do anything, you know, I'm gonna update, and not, you know, I see you guys tomorrow and stuff, and just, you know, keep going with the vibe and whatnot. You know, we go with the flow right here. So yeah, talk to you guys later. Okay guys, so as you see, I ate some noodles over there. I got the so I ate my pad thai noodles, my favorite vegan noodles they eat. So I did that. So now I'm about to get in the shower, take a bath, and head to bed because my knee, you know, I iced it, but I don't know what I did. I don't know, I put it up, but my knee hurt it so bad. So that's what I'm gonna do is get in the shower and get up. So I see you guys tonight and see you tomorrow. So talk to you guys later. Good morning, guys. So as you see, I got dressed. I went to eat Wendy's for lunch, what for lunch, whatever. But when I'm just in the room, I ain't feel like going to the pool another day. I just wanted to stay in the room to get some stuff done before I leave off vacation and stuff, and just relax. You know, you don't have to do a lot on vacation. You can relax. So I want to work on some like YouTube stuff and whatnot, and just just catch up before I go back home. You know, catch up and everything before I go back home. And I had to go back, get ready to go back to school. So I wanted to enjoy the rest of my little summer vacation before school starts and stuff. So that's what I'm doing. I just don't relax, do some other stuff, do some YouTube stuff and whatnot, and just chill. I got the TV playing, and we just on a vibe out for the day. I might update you if we do anything different, but right now, like I said, I'm just not doing too much. I'm just like watch TV, relax, and doing what's up. So yeah, trying to ride.
Keeping up with my thinking in the middle. I'm back in your bird, it doesn't feel no real. Her perfect picture, like a Polaroid. She tell me you know what. Lips sweet, feeling like a sirloin. Told the chauffeur take a shit.
Hey guys, so I was planning to go to the gym, but it's like 12 o'clock at night and the gym closed. So can't go to the gym before I leave vacation or whatnot. My knees are killing me, but it's something I don't get ready for till the morning, so I can get ready for bed because everything I need to do besides take a bath. But I literally got dressed. Give me to see that I just got shorts on. I got dressed to go to the gym, but they closed. So, but yeah, I ain't gonna stress about it. So I know when I get back home for vacation workout before I get into a workout routine before I go back to school and stuff, and then when I get back to school, consistently working out with my school schedule and whatnot. But yeah, I'll talk to you when, later on. But that's the update for now. So yeah. Okay guys, so I didn't go to the gym. I just went on YouTube trying to find something, but really nothing to watch on YouTube. So I decided to get in the bathtub and to call it at night. So that I'm doing no good in the bathtub, take me a bath, and just, wind down for the rest of the night. So I'm not doing much at all, but yeah, that's pretty much to go for the rest of the night. So I'm signing off for tonight, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So good night for now. Good morning, everyone. It's like, I don't know what time it is anymore, but I'm getting ready. So this is the fit for the day. I'm about to head back home today. So when I'm about to pack everything in the suitcase, and I'm about to go head back home. So to follow me, I'm going back home. What's up? But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm about to get back home. Have fun on the trip, but we better go home and whatnot. And yeah, I see you later. Hey guys, so I am back home and stuff. I had a little bit cleaning since I got home, but anyway, I'm about to unbox my new laptop. I got a new laptop while I'm on vacation. I'm about to unbox it and use it and see how it works. But yeah, I got a lot of stuff to do and stuff. I gotta go do the stream bar, like this part. I need to go do it and stuff. Finna do the stream hot dog, and I need to do it, like put the clothes on, do the video and stuff for it. But other than that, I'm just trying to relax, wash clothes, and just, chill out. So, but I don't know if I'm gonna continue the video or not because it'll probably be a weekly vlog, but we see. So, let me get the computer set up and I click back on. Hold on. So, open it. It's super nice and clean. It's a bit so small. It's 11 inches. The MacBook at 11 inches. Very small. This is super old. It's like the 2015 right here. It's only 4 gigabytes. But we don't see how it works with video editing and soon. We gotta go back to school soon. But we're gonna see how it works and stuff. But it's super lightweight. Like, very lightweight. It's oh, it looks so pretty. Okay, it's charged. Why did it look so fancy? But okay. I'm gonna play around with this a little bit and I'll come back. Anyway, guys, this is Friday. About to be Saturday. I have not update you since I came back home Wednesday. It's just crazy. I'm not naked. I'm literally wearing one of my Shein outfits. So this is cute and at the back. So, but anyway, I have not updated you. But today, what I did for Thursday, I didn't do nothing at all. And then today, when I did, I went to church and edited the fluff vlog of this. So that'll be coming out real soon. You should be always seeing it. I edited so long. edit from like about 9 to 10 o'clock to like about 4 o'clock today. Because I'm using this new editing software, trying to see how I feel. But I usually edit with iMovie, but I'm like, I want to try a different one. I seen this one, I'm like, let me try it because it got more stuff. Because iMovie like basic, you know? So let me try this new editing, and when I tell you the way you see the flood video of this, oh my god. Like I said, oh my, like, the quality, I'm not even finished yet at all. But just like almost finished, you know, and the music, all that stuff. But when I tell you, this about to be a bomb video, like my content about to be so much better now. Just from this new editing software that I'm using, and it's free. That's the great about it. It's free. Like, why none of you told me about this? But it's fine. Now that I know, now my content don't definitely improve, and so I do more to the videos that I, you know, in my mind that I see myself doing. I do more with it. So I still gotta learn this. Since it's my first time. I mean, I use the app on my phone, but I use it mostly for the, you know, you notice my video I upload my background, I use it for that, like the blood fit. But like actually editing, and this is my first time ever using it for a YouTube video, just like editing a whole video, and so far looking bomb. So definitely, we just don't see it. You see some better quality, then I'm using a new editing software on my channel. But yeah, but right now I'm just gonna take a bath and go to bed. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow, but I know tomorrow is Saturday, and that Saturday equal YouTube day, so that's why I post a new video tomorrow, and that's it. Tomorrow is the last video. So last video of my vacation. So I'm definitely editing, trying to make sure I have next week video set up, but I'm trying to get the video up because by the season it coming up real quick. But it'll probably be a weekly vlog, but I don't know how I feel about it. But we gonna see. We don't see. Yeah, I do something tomorrow. I know, but I wish I film me, you know, editing today. But I just, you know, got home and like my mind was like, I need to edit a video, and just I went in the zone. I was just laser focused on editing today. So yeah. But we see. Tomorrow is just a Sunday. It's just for the church. I'm probably bringing my laptop to church Sunday. I really don't want to, but I'm gonna do it anyway because I want to get that video done. Then start on the next one. Because I see how to film the video before this video plus the Shein haul. I haven't even put all the clothes on yet for the Shein haul, but I still want to at least get the video on if I to see what I'm working with. If I know what needs to be done, so if I know what needs to be done for the Shein haul. Okay, the Shein haul probably came out before or after this. Not the video, but the first video, but it might come out. But the way I'm looking, the Shein haul probably come after this video right here that I'm filming now. So we see, honestly. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later for him. Because I want to be a weekly vlog, and it's turning out not really a weekly vlog, but hey, it's still gonna be a week in my life, regardless, or a couple days in my life, you know. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye for now. That's what she said. And they had what you was. Just finished my video, finished editing. So I'm exporting it right now on YouTube. It's gonna be good. Make sure you watch it. I'll be back. Hey guys, so it is Sunday. And I have not filmed anything, but the only thing I did really today, I went to church. I tried to do like a no-show day, trying to get ready for school. That was fair, but I did made a new intro for my YouTube channel. Do I like it? I really don't know. You see when you see. You probably see it before the video come out. Probably after. I really don't know. But I forgot to tell you, I got the package yesterday. Yeah, I got the package yesterday. It's the Cetaphil Pro Cleanser Acne Cleanser, and come with a Repair and Pro Acne Serum. So that's how it came. It wasted like the cleanser actually wasted in the pad. But they like the like kind of like not simple side, but kind of it recommended for consistency. So I'm excited to try it out, see where it help with my acne. My acne not too bad, but I do still get pimples and stuff with kind of like, you know, acne scars and everything. So I'm super excited to try this. But I went to Walmart today at church. Yeah, I seen this before I went on vacation. But I hadn't been to get it, and now I did. And I get it. It's a amino body complex from Palmer, so it's a body conditioner man. Because right now I've been getting into like balm repair But my hair, because look at this. My hair don't look the same. It looks short and everything. It don't look the same since I got that sewing in my hair. So with that being said, like, I feel like half of my hair is like so short, especially in my quiet hair. Like, you better no hair up there. Like, I don't know what's going on, but my hair don't look like it was before I got my hair done. So got the bonnet because I want to get into my bonnet, because I do got the bonnet too. This because this is a bonnet repair, but it's from Shea Moisture. It's like the bonnet oil I've been using. But I barely use it. I only use it when I put heat in my hair, like, as a heat protector. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not with my hair not really reaping the benefits of it. So I'm like, why not get a hair mask and try it out and see it, like about almost $3 at Walmart, and see what like, you know, do something to my hair. Also got me a poetry treatment, because you can never go wrong with a good old poetry treatment. This is my favorite treatment from Palmer. So for me to get another Palmer, no, I love Palmers when it comes down to my natural. Because the poetry treatment's always the bomb when it comes to my hair. Like when I need my hair poetry, just get my hair ratted up. But I definitely am so excited to try this tomorrow on my hair, because this we got the way Sue. It about to be in 2 weeks, and my hair looking like this. And I said how to do my hair for Sue, so I ended up buying some more shiny gel, because I'm gonna try to attempt to do some braids in my hair. So, but I need my hair to be looking white to be trying to do some braids. I need my hair healthy. I need it back to after my hair before my vacation. So also I gotta know that my leave-in condition, because I'm running low, and there's like a 911 right here for me. I love that one. When the woman had the little cap on it, so it's like a ceiling cap. So I'm super, like, I love it. Like, all stores who say hair product need to do this. Like, you need to put the little tab on it for I don't know and not open. So, cause I probably be open, you don't realize be open. And I got the like shower cap. It also kind of like a bonnet and stuff, but I don't know. And I'm gonna keep it or return it, but it pretty much a shower cap. But yeah, I use the plastic caps, but I'm like, that's too much wasting and over getting a hole and stuff. They're pretty much cheap. So like I got there, but I'm still debating I don't want to keep it or not. But yeah, I got a shower cap. But I got some other stuff like for back to shoes and stuff. But mostly this like the hair stuff that I want to talk about. But mostly this, I really don't want to talk about that, because I'm super excited to try the body mask to see what it do something. So I'm definitely in filming that. So you don't have to ask. It's over gonna be a video of this. So kind of worry about it. But I am going to end this weekly vlog, because no point in keep going when I'm not on vacation no more. So I'm in the weekly vlog here. Hope you enjoy. I know it wasn't much. I wasn't like what going on, but I hope you enjoyed what I did film, and not a long video, but I hope you enjoyed this video and stuff, you know, and see what I'm doing for the last bit of summer before I go back to school. So yeah, I don't know what to say, but make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Check your girl out. Check my other travel video. And I got like 2 other videos plus the Sheen haul. So make sure you check those out. And I'll see you guys again for when we're doing the back to school content. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.